guys, welcome back to Ella's World. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some kneaded eraser with only two things you need. First, you're going to need an eraser. This is the one I'm using. You can get them at Target. And I am using some Post-it notes. So let's get started. If you don't have Post-it notes, you can use tape, or you can use a couple of drops of glue if you need it, and this is only if you need it. But so basically you're going to, for some erasers, if you erase like this, or just like erase, and then you play with it, it'll come together and turn into a kneaded eraser. But if it doesn't and just becomes crumbly, put those to the side. Don't lose them because you may need them. But you're going to get the back of a sticky note where it's sticky, and you're going to just start erasing on that. And once you do that, it'll be sticky, but if you just get it up and off the table, and this does take a while. Once you get it off of the table and you have it, if it's sticky, too sticky for you, you can use some of these leftover shavings, and if it's not too sticky, you don't have to. And then what I like to do with mine to test if it's good is if you can make a point, this is really tiny, and then flatten it back out without like losing its shape, and then it'll be like a kneaded eraser. And if you need to, if it's crumbly like this one is, when you use it, you can use glue or tape. Just if you're using glue, just erase and then like put a couple of drops of glue in it and it should work. And then you can also dye it whatever color you want with a marker or something. So let's do that. And since it is Halloween, I am going to use an orange marker. You can just use whatever marker you have, or you could use a highlighter. I'm just gonna draw on it and mix it in. Going to keep on going until I get it to the color I like. Okay, so it got a little sticky while I was doing it, so I'm going to add some more just eraser shavings. And mix it in. And that is basically how you make a kneaded eraser. Now let's go test it to see how it works. Okay, so right now I'm just going to do some of this to the paper, and we're going to see how well it erases compared to a regular eraser. So this side is going to be the eraser that it came from, and this side is going to be the kneaded eraser. that worked pretty well. And erased it in only a couple of goes, if not one. But if it is colored, it does like turn it like a grayish black. But usually kneaded erasers are grayish black anyway. But now let's try this. Takes a couple of tries, but it gets the job done. Either way, it works pretty well. But there's the results. And that is going to be all for today, guys. Happy Halloween. Okay, so I lied. I just made, okay, I'm sorry, you see the shadow of my iPad. But I made a little pumpkin kneaded eraser with it, with kneaded eraser. So, yeah, just showing you what you can. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.